Hey, despite the people who attempt to shoot up grocery stores and shoot up churches in an attempt to eliminate certain people from going to grocery stores to get food to eat, to keep the civilization going, and despite those that have shot up the churches to try and prevent certain people from going to the churches so they can't celebrate and can't worship God. These are genocidal attempts to massacre and eliminate a group of people. One of the retaliation moves that is biblical that helps out is this particular source where two individuals that have the ability to process an egg and fertilize it into birth. The rebirth of something is mechanical and also is spiritual and is used as a vice to make certain evil forces behave themselves or either say, I'm upset, because they still find a way to flourish despite my attempt to cancel the churches, my attempt to cancel the grocery stores, my attempt to cancel the abortion clinics or increase the abortion clinics, whatever. Any laws that was designed previous to 1955, or any laws that were created after 1955, all are effective. But Prince once again mentioned, instead of being out there fighting bombs and crackling wars in the side of the sky, I'd rather be somewhere making love to you, woe man, on the couch. But on this particular night, I don't feel that way. I don't feel well at all. My emotions are all over the place. I'm dealing with some form of upset or sadness, sorrow. Some of it has to do with being in a car accident. Some of it has to do with living environment, life. Some of it has to do with the ways money has been not properly distributed. So the solution to all of this stuff, the reproduction process, I'm taking a break from psychologically today because I don't feel well. So today is not a good day for me, even though I know I salute and cheer for reproduction and cheer for satisfaction and happiness and some type of feeling that feels good today. I'm just going to go to sleep. You go and you do what you can to earn income for yourself and your family. And sometimes you just don't feel like it. It don't have anything to do with being old. It doesn't have anything to do with being young. It just has something to do with emotions. And sometimes you just don't feel like it. I don't have a headache, but I do ache. I do feel a sense of achiness has come over me, and that type of emotion has a dominant effect on me right now. So I pass, but I still love y'all. Much respect.